Yo, what's up guys? Comm here. Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Comm. Today, I'm gonna be making some muffins.
Hey, Comm, make something with that.
Bananas, okay. I can make this work. Let's get into this. So, based off of Krissy's suggestion, I ended up looking online and finding a recipe for some yogurt and banana spice muffins. So right here next to me, I've got a box of spice cake mix, 1 cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt, 2 eggs, 2 large bananas, a cup of chopped walnuts, and then some milk. And then we're gonna top with some powdered sugar at the end. So it should be really good. Let's get into it. Honestly, pretty simple recipe here. Most of it's just gonna be mixing all these ingredients together, maybe a little bit of knife work here or there with the walnuts. I'm just gonna throw it all in a bowl, fold some stuff in. Overall, pretty simple. So to start off, first thing, got a box of spiced cake mix here. Really any kind will work for this. So gonna go ahead and tear this open, hopefully not spill it everywhere. We're good, I think. Pour it on in. Oh, that smells so good. There we go. Got a 1/2 cup of yogurt here, or 1 cup, I mean, full cup. Pour this on in. Got all of that out. I think I have 2 eggs I'm gonna crack in here. I'll just put the shells back into there. Dude, that's kind of messy. I don't think there's any shell in there. We'll be fine. Adds the texture. Next up, bananas. So, gonna have to smash these up real good.
What's up, Comm?
Hello, hello.
You actually making muffins?
Yeah, I took your advice to heart.
Yeah, what kind? How's it going?
I'm gonna do some banana spice muffins here. So we got the bananas and we got the spices, so.
Well, you need any help?
Here, actually, if you don't mind mashing up the bananas for me.
Yeah, I got you.
All right.
Let me at it.
Get in there. Here, I'll help you out.
Please.
Oh my God, those are some sturdy bananas.
I haven't made muffins in forever, but I was definitely craving some, so I'm glad that you're making them.
Yeah, I've never made muffins, so this will be.
You've never made muffins?
I've never made muffins.
Wow.
What do you like more, muffins or like cake or?
I think muffins.
Cupcakes.
Muffins are like not too heavy, you know? And they always hit. For breakfast, just for a snack, anything. So do you bake a lot or not really?
Nope, never.
Wow.
So this will be an experience.
I probably have more baking experience than you now that I think about it.
You probably do.
Well, we can combine forces and make some really good muffins.
All right, and then lastly, you just need to add in the milk. I think I need to add in 1/2 cup. Excuse
Okay.
me.
Nice. I feel like there's still some banana over here.
I think so too. We'll get it.
Okay. There we go.
Actually, here, I'll let you do that.
Yeah?
And while you do that, I will get to
Okay.
attempting to chop these walnuts.
All right.
All right, here's hoping I do not somehow mess this up. Not gonna go like super fine on the chop, but I want it a bit smaller.
Do you have any tips when it comes to like cutting and slicing when you're cooking? Because I'm the worst at that. It always takes me so long. I guess it depends on what you're cutting, huh?
Yeah, a lot of it is just practice, and then you gotta be like safe, make sure you have your fingers out of the way.
True.
But yeah, no, most of it really does just come down to practicing. But I would say worry less about speed, worry more about not hurting yourself. So is the more
Good
important thing. Yeah.
This is looking really good. Are you a big breakfast guy or not really?
I love breakfast food, but I also hate waking up early, so
Yeah.
it's a difficult.
So it becomes brunch at that point.
Yeah. I mean, I've made many omelets at 3 a.m. in the morning.
Breakfast is my favorite meal. I like making muffins and then like just eating them throughout the week for
I might have to start doing that.
Yeah.
Who knows, maybe this will be my new go-to recipe for
Yeah,
that.
you can do that this week with all these muffins.
All right. Yeah, that's good enough.
That looks good.
Roughly chopped. So I think we should fold these in there now.
Okay.
Here, I can do it.
Yeah. That looks good.
It does look really good, I'm not gonna lie. Try and get it kind of evenly mixed
These
in.
muffins will be good because they're a little bit chunky. There's a lot of texture going on.
Yeah, for sure. Nice contrast. Mm-hmm. All right, I think that's probably about good.
Yeah?
Yep. Let's try to get it kind of even, I guess.
Let's do it.
Maybe a little bit more than 1 scoop, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how much is enough.
Probably like 3/4 of the way full. That's what I usually do.
So maybe like 2 scoops.
And then if we have extra, we can add it. Oops, sorry.
You're fine, I'll lick it off.
Almost done. Okay, should we add more?
I don't know, I filled mine a little bit more than you filled yours.
Okay,
I don't know if that's a good thing.
I'm gonna go back and like add a little bit more. Might as well. I think that's good.
It's probably fine. That one has like a chunk of banana.
That's mine. Dibs on that one.
All right, it's baking time.
It is time.
25 minutes, 350. We've had the oven preheating, so time to get it in there.
Let's do it.
Get them in there.
Nice.
We got this.
Nice.
Probably should clean up a little bit. Always
Yeah.
good to cook while you go when you're cooking. Clean while you cook, clean while you go while you cook. There we go.
There you go.
Took me a second.
I knew you could do it.
There were words in there. Time to remove the muffins.
Let's go. Ooh, they look good.
Oh, they look and smell so good.
Ooh, those look good.
They look so good.
They smell so
Time to
good
plate.
too. Let's do it.
There we go. Muffin acquired. Ooh.
Nice.
There we go.
Yep. First try.
I was testing the structural integrity of the
Yeah.
muffin. Making sure.
It looks good.
Didn't fall apart.
Sturdy
so.
muffin. Ooh,
All right, there you go.
beautiful.
Powdered sugar time. There we go.
You want something to drink?
Glass of milk?
Sure, I'll get it.
Sounds good to me.
Cheers. Nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Should we do it at the same time?
Same time, sure.
Yeah.
Cheers again.
Cheers. Wait, those are so good. Did you get powdered sugar all over you?
10 out of 10.
Nice. Yeah, I think you're a really good baker for not baking a lot. You should bake
Yeah,
more.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I think I might.
And this was super easy.
So easy. Literally just threw a bunch of stuff in a bowl and poured it in. It was incredibly easy.
Yeah, I might try this recipe on my own.
And it probably tastes better in my mouth if it was done instead of on me. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Cooking with Comm. Thank you, Krissy, for joining me. Hope you had a good time. I ended up making some really good muffins. Hopefully you guys try this recipe at home. Like I said, super simple, super delicious. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later for another one.